Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Just a quick update on the Viofo A139 Pro dash cam. I've installed it about a year ago and been using it ever since. And overall, I'm quite happy with it. I've used in the past ThinkWare systems, Blackview systems, Garmin, Acaso, and a couple other cheaper ones. And overall, I think this is the best dash cam I've used and really my favorite. Couple reasons for it. One is right now I'm talking to you using the external microphone. So it does have an external microphone port, which is really handy because I kind of like to do, drive and narrate type videos, so it picks up the sound really clear. Its picture quality is excellent through all three cameras. I have the version that has 3 cameras in it. And right now you're looking at the interior cam. It can be color, or it can have night mode, auto night mode, where it goes to kind of like an infrared camera. The rear camera is really good too. It's going through my kind of tinted back window in my truck, and it really has a really nice picture. And then the front-facing cam, it came with a little lens to put on it, kind of a polarized lens. So it deals with bright, sunshiny days quite well. Everything records well. There was one problem with it that was fixed by a firmware update. I found sometimes when I was coming out of parking mode and back into active mode, it would just not do that, or it would lag and take a time, or I would hear it rebooting itself quite a bit. But I updated the latest firmware and that fixed that bug. As far as parking mode goes, that works really well. I have the parking kit, and I have a battery in my truck to power it when it's going. So I have it 24/7 security, and it can do different things, motion detection. Or I really like the 3 frames per second kind of time lapse feature of it. Sometimes you can get kind of neat scenes with moving clouds and stuff even. What else? The app seems to work pretty well. It doesn't have a screen or anything to look at, so if you want to play back instantly, you got to pull your phone out, and it has a Wi-Fi hotspot of its own, and you attach to that. And you can play back videos, or you can look at live screens. Mostly I use it for setup. You can go through and do all its settings, set everything up through the app. If I want the footage, I usually will pull the little micro SD card out of the dash cam and take it to my laptop. And I have some software called Dashcam Viewer, and I can go in there and see that. And it's nice to be able to use the footage in my YouTube videos for my traveling. Really handy that way. For doing travel videos, speed up the footage so people can see us driving around, that sort of thing. Anyway, I just wanted to update you. I've had it for a year now, and so some people have been wondering how it's performed. And like I say, it's been my favorite so far. Anyway, till next time, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Cheers, guys.